Hi everyone, I would like to invite you to join my newest class. This is a workshop. Again, it's hosted on Teachable, like I've got several before on Teachable, and it is for a cardigan, but it's specifically a cardigan that's very fast to knit and designed for someone who hasn't knit a cardigan for themselves before. So if this is your first sweater or cardigan or garment knit, then this is the one for you. It's knit in a very chunky yarn, which means that it's very fat yarn, so it knits up very quickly. So it's large needle size and it's going to have big stitches. So you can actually work through the whole process really quickly. I've designed it to be as user-friendly as possible and to have lots of ways that you can adjust for your size as you work through it. It's knit from the top down with a shoulder construction called raglan, and it's using these eyelets, so it's making it very open. It's a cropped length, so it's not too long with a little bit of detail at the hem. But then I've left the sleeves full length so that because it's a chunky yarn, I think the full length sleeves mean that you'll get a lot more use out of it in winter and in times when you really want to keep yourself nice and cozy. So if you want to learn how to knit your first sweater, come on and join me.